So today's going to be a restoration video. I don't really do restoration videos, but I did get a pretty nice, or well, it's not nice. It's a pretty expensive toolkit for what it is. I took it as a payment for some repair work I did on a car, and it's in rough shape. Like half of it's been used, half of it hasn't, and the box is something spilt on it, and it's nasty. So I'll give you guys a quick look at that, and then it's just going to be the restore video sped up. Here we go.
Can I be in it now?
Mm-hmm. Watch your fingers.
Okay.
So that's how you do a toolbox restoration. It did turn out nice. I'll show you guys. It's probably gonna be hard to tell when it's fast forwarded like that, but it's it's still drying obviously. But that's the lid. That was kind of the most damaged part. I don't remember what side was the damaged side. I'll be honest with you. I didn't really quite pay attention to it, but like obviously one side of that lid was destroyed. So we had to take it back to bare metal. Yeah, it turned out great. I did paint the inside while I was here because, why the hell not? Never going to be closer. And yeah, that's kind of the finished product. Really didn't take long. A couple of hours. It is, what is it? It's 6:25. So yeah, probably about 4.5 hours, give or take. Most of that's just waiting on stuff to dry. I did degrease the sockets, the ones that had been used. Obviously, I didn't bother with the ones that were never used, right? And they turned out okay, right? They're clean on the inside. There's no dirt or muck or anything. I didn't restore these. I mean, I just cleaned them and then wiped them with a rag. Right? You could take a little wire brush and a Dremel and go in and out of all those little grooves and clean those up beautifully. Screw that. This is for sale, so I don't really care. I did take this ratchet apart, cleaned up the inside of, the inside of it, plus all the little moving parts. Then re-greased everything. I used the liquid moly grease. It's really, really good grease. I put it all back together. It's working great. The extensions cleaned up beautifully. They'd been used, but not much. I mean, you could tell. So yeah, that's it. That kit's gonna be, once it dries, I gotta put it all back together, and we'll take pictures of it. May or may not. Probably not gonna use that. That's the insert. One upgrade I did while I had it apart, I did drill a hole through here and just rivet this lock piece on. From factory, it's not attached. Well, what I mean is it's the cardboard is what holds it in place. So if you take the cardboard out, this latch just falls in. It is not holding it on. I thought about just running a bead of weld around the back of it. I was like, you know what? I don't want to break the welder out for that. So I just drilled a hole in it. Put a rivet in it. Done. Really not hard. Yeah, but about 4 hours. But most of it, I mean, I was running out of the house a lot. I wasn't out here for 4 hours. Yeah, I'd paint it. I'd go inside, do some stuff, watch telly. Chase the kids around the house, come back out, put another coat on it. Ain't no big deal, right? All told, about 4 hours. So I think if you were to clean out all them sockets with the little Dremel and stuff, you could spend like days. Screw that. Yeah, so that's it. Once I get it all put back together, be for sale. And yeah, done.